My father, Rick Taylor, had a passion for trucks and equipment. He loved fixing things, so much so that he built a barn in the backyard of our family home in 1976, quit his teaching job as an industrial arts teacher, and was open for business. My mother and he built a loyal customer base, and they moved the business to Warrington, PA in 1978, where our family is still operating the business 40 plus years later. My mother, Cindy Taylor, is still the go-to for our staff and HR. My brother Glenn is the face of our tree care sales department. My wife Maggie is our marketing director. Glenn's wife Sarah is our new employee manager responsible for our recruiting team. And my name is Doug Taylor and I'm the president. We have always worked on both trucks and equipment, all makes and models. It doesn't matter if it has tires or tracks, works on the road, in the dirt, in the woods, or anywhere for that matter. If it's a vehicle of any kind, we've probably fixed it before. Our growth has come from our reputation of our service department. For the first 20 years in business, we were primarily an independent repair center. Same as today, we were the go-to place for big repairs, the kinds that other shops couldn't figure out. For 24-hour truck and equipment breakdowns. For 24-hour heavy-duty truck towing and wreck recoveries. For fixing snow removal equipment in the middle of the night, and so much more. With all that we're doing, we still were not a dealer those 20 years ago for any specific brands. Over time, our customers demanded that we become a dealership for most of the brands that we specialize in and represent today. Our customers made the introductions to different manufacturers because our customers needed us to support the equipment they owned that they purchased from other places. Today, with the help of a staff of about 60 people, we proudly represent JCB Construction Equipment, Rayco Forestry Equipment, Morbark Tree Care Equipment, Toro Landscaping Equipment, and many snow lines including Fisher Snow Plows, SnowX Salt Spreaders, Protect Snow Pushers, and much more. So our customers have always come to Earthborne because of our unique ability to keep their trucks and equipment working on a budget. In order to continue to give our customers the best value we could and continue to welcome new customers, we needed to have a much larger facility. So about 4 years ago, we started the search and worked out an arrangement to purchase the neighboring property combined with one of our other properties and now have an 18-acre campus with over 100 square feet of buildings. We always knew that Earthborne's value comes from the experience and the ability of our technicians and support staff. Basically, our customers' primary reason for coming here is to have their equipment fixed. So the natural design focus was to create an environment where our technicians would have the resources they needed to be happy. A happy technician is a productive one, and a productive one makes a happy customer. Our technicians enjoy with the new facility a clean and organized working area, dedicated parts and service administration personnel in the shop, extra floor space to stretch out, overhead cranes in every working bay, smooth polished concrete floors, air conditioning, automatic exhaust evacuation for clean air, bright interior lighting, white roof, white ceilings, white walls, a big locker room, a dedicated lunch and break room, bunk rooms to rest when they're tired, storage rooms with company-supplied specialty tooling, quiet conference rooms for diagnostic meetings with engineers, and one of my favorite spaces are the 2 dedicated training rooms to support our ongoing technical learning programs. This facility has been a dream of ours for many years and we're proud to see it come to life. We're proud to continue to serve you the best we know how. We can't wait for you to come check it out. We're open and operating full steam ahead on Titus Avenue in Warrington.